5 features that I wasn't expecting to see on the Tecno Spark 10 Pro that makes this phone the best phone you can get for under 105,000 naira or $150 US. Wait for the 5th one. I was totally blown away when I discovered that the Tecno Spark 10 Pro has that particular feature, and surprisingly, nobody is talking about this game-changing feature. What's up guys, it's Victor here again. Subscribe if you're not, and don't forget to turn on post notification to be notified anytime I post a new video like this one. There's been a lot of buzz lately about how cheap the Tecno Spark 10 Pro is compared to the value it's packing. So I decided to show you 5 of my favorite things about this smartphone. Before we start counting down officially, I think it's important to unbox this device to see everything that comes within the box. So let's do that quickly. In the box, we have the device, an MTN promotion card. In another compartment, we have a soft TPU case. And what is a Tecno phone without a 12+1 month warranty? In another box, we have a USB Type-C cable and an earpiece. Also in the box, we get an 18-watt charger brick and a SIM tool for ejecting or inserting your SIM card. It's very easy to tell that Tecno has put a lot of effort and consideration into the packaging of this phone. The unboxing experience wasn't a cheap one, and for a device in this price range, I am impressed. So with that out of the way, let's officially get started with our countdown. At number 5, Tecno Spark 10 Pro is priced at 105,000 naira or $120 for the 8 gigs 120 gigs version and 118,000 naira or $150 for the 16 gig and 256 gigabyte version, making it a steal. No phone in the market gives you this much spec for that price. A whopping 256 gigabyte of internal storage, 16 gigabyte of RAM, 5000 mAh battery, the G88 processor, all make the price to value ratio of the Tecno Spark 10 Pro too balanced, if not overbalanced. However, it is important to know that 8 gigs from the 16 gigs of RAM value is virtual RAM, which Tecno prefers to call MEM Fusion RAM. Other specs of this phone that you might not find on other phones at this price include Android version 13, a full HD display, a 50 megapixel dual camera that can shoot videos up to 2K, and I am leaving some samples on the screen. You also get a 32 megapixel selfie camera on this device with very bright flashlights on both sides of the phone. Very essential if you will be taking pictures or videos in not well lit environments. Moving on to number 4, let's talk about the menace that everyone is condoning and gradually getting used to: accessories. Tecno is one of the very few brands that ship their devices with all the expected things in the box, including the charger brick. Samsung joined iPhone to remove chargers from the box of their phones, including from mid-range devices. In fact, the newly launched A series does not come with chargers. You will need to go and buy a charger if you do not have a spare. Redmi devices still come with chargers, but they don't give you earphones. It's nice to see that the Tecno Spark 10 Pro came with everything and still manages to be competitively priced. Counting down to number 3, design and build. This Tecno Spark 10 Pro has one of the best designs and builds I've seen lately. Yeah, you don't need a second guess to be correct about which phone it looks like. But I can't get tired of talking about how much love I have for this color called pearl white. It is lightweight and has that modern boxy look. It is also very comfortable to hold because it is lightweight, and the fact that the back has a frosted matte finish that hides dirt and smudges. Talking about the back, this is the first Tecno Spark phone with a glass back. Only a few phone brands are willing to give you a glass build at this price, and it is nice to see that here. You should be careful with this phone though. Because it has a glass back, it is more prone to damage if you drop it, but on the positive side, it means you would have fewer scratches on the back. At number 2, refresh rate and display. Tecno Spark 10 Pro has a 6.8 Full HD display with a resolution of 1080 by 2460 pixels. Full HD is a big deal at this price point, but that is not why the display is at number 2 on this list. The reason why we are even talking about the display right now is the 90Hz refresh rate for smooth scrolling and frame blending. Gaming or watching content on this phone is a pleasant experience because of that smooth refresh rate. Since you made it this far into this video, I suspect you like this video. Please subscribe to see more videos like this from me. Now, that feature I was shocked to find here and I am excited to talk about. I doubt Tecno knows about this feature. Before I talk about it, let me just show you. If I get a card like this and tap the back of this Tecno Spark 10 Pro, I get some info on the screen instantly. This interaction is made possible by a technology called Near Field Communication, or NFC for short. Until now, I've only been able to use this on iPhone and Samsung flagships, and of course my Pixel phone. I was absolutely blown away or shocked to find that this phone has NFC. I remember vividly finding NFC on one of the old Redmi Note devices and I was very excited about it. But Redmi just decided not to add it in their subsequent devices. Seeing NFC on the Tecno Spark 10 Pro is exciting. NFC is also the technology behind contactless payment, so if you use Samsung Pay or any of those methods using NFC with the Tecno Spark 10 Pro, you can speak the same language with the big boys. You are also able to connect to devices that use NFC. For me, this feature and the Android 13 software here speaks volume and translates to the fact that Tecno wants this device to be future-proof. Who knows, we might get software updates on this Tecno Spark 10 Pro. Overall, I honestly feel that this device packs a lot for the price. You also get features like screencasting, app twin for dual apps on one phone, multi-windows for multitasking, pick-proof mode, exclusive WhatsApp features, and lots more made possible by iOS. Compared to other devices in this price range, it's difficult not to recommend this phone to someone trying to get a phone with a budget below 120,000 naira. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.